Next, we're going to make the movement of the dodge a little bit less glitchy and a lot more smooth. So we're going to drag this dodge right unactivated, and off of delay, we're going to set the actor location. And then off of new location, we're simply just going to do get actor location. And what this is going to do is when it dodges or moves, it's going to update and move your character and keep it moved to where you dodged to, rather than dodging, then glitching back to the center. And then we also switched the delay to 0.5, shorten it a little bit. It was a little bit too long before, so now you can see it's a lot more smoother than it was, and your character actually stays where she dodges to. And now we're going to code the dodge left.